Hey everybody, Boris Glassberg from BK Forex. Welcome to our final day of the week, Forex Daily Technicals for 7/26. Dollar dumping. As always, foreign exchange or margin carries a high level of risk, may not be suitable for all investors. I ask you to read this disclaimer very carefully, so you should be aware of all the risks of trading on margin and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any doubts. Well, dollar had a major turnaround today, spurred on by late afternoon news that perhaps the Fed is going to hold off on tapering for much longer than everybody thought. You see the pound over here really spiking out, taking out the 54s, and a big squeeze out to 54.35 before coming back down a little bit. The euro, of course, rose all the way through the 32.50s to take out that level, and kind of just came shy of the 33s and sort of building up again on that move. And as you can see, this is ever since Ben Bernanke basically communicated the fact that they were going to stay much more accommodative than everybody thought. We've basically had a complete change of sentiment, and a relatively straight uptrend line here with little resistance, except maybe, well, let me see, what is this level here? This is around 30. Let's get accurate here. The highs here are 33.06. That's pretty much really where we kind of topped out. We topped out right before the 33s. So we may have a little bit more congestion here in consolidation. But really at this point, 32 becomes support. 31.50 is really very, very steep support. We tried to test that today and came up off of it. And the push higher, if we break through above the 33s in a significant manner, if we're around 33.25, it really opens up around all the way up to 34s for a double top test here in the euro dollar. Similarly, the other way around in dollar yen, we are now inching towards the 99. 99 has been very stiff support. If we start breaking that, that really opens up a run all the way out to 98. As of course, 98.50 is the first level of support, and then after that we have 98 as the whole unwind of the pro dollar trade continues here. So very much worth watching. Today we had 98.87 was the low today. We'll see how those lows get traded today. If they want to try to break it below those levels, or they're going to try and see if they can hold it right underneath this major support level for the time being. Then lastly, Aussie came off the mat. Where's my Aussie? Aussie came off the mat, but still I think remains the weakest of the bunch. Still can't clear the 93s. Basically came off the mat primarily because of the anti-dollar flows. Although we did kind of hold above the 91 level in the steepest of the sell-off yesterday, and we're basically in a consolidation mode as far as that goes. So where it stands right now is dollar is definitely on its back leg. Dollar CAD, by the way, another couple of the other com dollars traded much better. Dollar CAD tested and went through the 102.50s, and Kiwi blew through the where's my Kiwi here? Blew through the 80s and really came all the way out to 81s. Now Kiwi is really at a key level here because this 81 is double top resistance, but if we can clear 81s, this really puts us on a path towards 82, 82.50. That's a very interesting trade because I think that would catch a lot of people completely off guard. So there's a potential here for even further anti-dollar move, perhaps tomorrow, if we can clear just these last remnants of resistance. 33s in the euro, 54.50s in the pound, 81s in the Kiwi, and to the downside in dollar yen. Of course, 99 becomes, or rather 98.80 becomes a very, very key support level as we start to trade. So the end of the week, despite the fact there's very little on the calendar and it's the dog days of summer, could be shaping up into a very interesting session tonight. I'm wishing you guys the best of luck and the best of trading. Definitely going to be worth watching the price action today, and we'll see how it plays out. I'll be back to you Sunday night for the weekly wrap up. This is Boris Schlossberg for BK Forex. Over and out.